guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use templates on CapCut browsers. So go to CapCut.com and select the templates tab here, and it's going to open up a new tab, and you're just going to simply select the video that you want, the template that you want. Here you can search for it. There's video, there's also images as well, and you can also select the ones here. There's also an image one here, as you can see. If you select that, which is I think really super duper cool. Sorry, that's just my excitement for this template, I guess. But you're just going to simply select the template that you want to use. I'm going to select this one. And then to use it, here there's going to be like a description, 14 clips required, 1:1 aspect ratio used, and how many uses it has. So select just use this template, and it's going to bring you into this tab. You don't have to log in, but I'm just going to kind of zoom out a little bit, and here is where you are going to replace the pictures. Select the replace button, and select the image you want to use. I'm just going to select this one, and it's going to replace it with the images. So I'm just going to do it for all of it. Just hit the replace button here and select it. If you want to edit it, you can also press the edit button here to like maybe change the size ratio on it. Totally up to you. Just going to replace everything real quick. Just bear with me. I just coded them so I don't have to edit them. It does take quite a while too. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There you go. Oh, there's like another one, but it's uneditable actually, so we're just going to leave it at that. And it should work with your pictures. This is what the final product looks like. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. Also, to export, just press the export button here and make sure you log in first. Yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!